Hi guys, and today we're back with a brand new video, and in this one we're going to go ahead and talk to you guys about how you guys can go ahead and fix the YouTube Premium Discord code. Only trying to give you a 1 month code right now. If you guys do go ahead and enjoy, make sure you guys go down below, drop a like and subscribe. We are on the road to 100k subs, and I know it is far away, but if you guys smash the subscribe button, we will get there even faster. And if you guys do want to go ahead and support me even more, please go ahead and use my code ItsRyan inside of the Fortnite item shop. And if you guys do go ahead and use my code, comment down below saying that you use my code and I will heart your comment. But enough of that said, now let's go ahead and talk to you guys about how you guys can fix the YouTube Premium Discord code, only trying to give you a 1 month code. So as you guys know, Discord and YouTube have done a collab where if you guys do have Discord Nitro, you guys can get YouTube Premium for free for 3 months. Now guys, to find it, you will have to go into Discord, then go into your gift inventory and then get the code from there. Because when people go ahead and redeem the code, it will say that they only have a 1 month trial, as the people here are saying. So it says, I cannot redeem the 3 month trial for the YouTube Discord collab. When I use it, it will get 1 month free trial. As you guys can see, it will say 1 month free trial if you guys have this bug. But if you guys do not, it will say a 3 month free trial. So if it says 1 month, do not buy it yet until I tell you guys how to fix it. Now the first common way that people are mistaken why they can't actually redeem it is because they have had YouTube Premium before. Because if you've had it before, you guys cannot actually go ahead and redeem this code. It will not work for you guys, and that's why it says it is a 1 month trial and not a 3 month trial. So that is the first way on why it will not work for you. Now the second way, as for me and for a lot of people, you guys have never had it before, but when you guys try and redeem the code, it still gives you the 1 month free trial instead of the 3 month trial. Because what I would recommend you do is, for this one, is go ahead and contact YouTube support. They do have a link just like this. Just type in YouTube support and fill in a ticket and explain that why you guys cannot redeem it, as Discord say nothing too much on this, just to contact YouTube. And that is what I would do. Once you guys go ahead and contact them saying all of your problems, they will of course go ahead and give you it, or give you a new code, or fix it on your end. But yeah guys, that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys did go ahead and enjoy, make sure you guys go down below, drop a like and subscribe. Once you guys subscribe, click on the bell and click on all so you guys never miss a brand new upload. But with that being said guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.